Very good afternoon, friend. This video is related to reaction intermediate and reaction mediate. It's a very important topic regarding to examination point of view. So, okay, let's start reaction mediate. So, firstly, substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? So, what is the meaning of substitution? Okay, so substitution means replace to any group. Okay, so substitution reaction. The substitution is replaced to any group. Sorry, it's a new uh, work, so my writing is not good. Okay, okay, start. So the substitutions means replace to any group. So here is an example. Here is a carbon attached to different group. Okay, and carbon have positive charge means कि carbon it's a role play as electrophile because carbon have positive charge, and here is a carbon is also okay, then because here is a positive charge but carbon is convert into positive charge. So how can convert to carbon attached to four different group is a four alkyl groups, like this type of, and because of this type of this group, this group not here is a R, here is like some type of any other groups. Okay, and because of reaction with nucleophile, like here is a chlorine, and chlorine role play as nucleophile, and because of reaction of nucleophile, this chlorine have a high electron density, and here is a X is any type of groups, then chlorine attack to the center carbon, because this group is replaced from this position, and his carbon convert into electrophile, and because of convert into electrophile, chlorine attack to the center carbon, because carbon have a low electron density and chlorine have a high electron density, and chlorine play as the nucleophile role. Okay, so this type of reaction is called a substitution reaction. It means in substitution reaction replace to any group. Here is a replace to this group because of this group, because this group is attaching to this position, and this group is replaced because of this group attaching to this position. So replace to any group is called a substitution reaction, and two types of substitutions reactions like SN1 and SN2. So what is SN1 and what is SN2 reaction, and what is the difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction? So firstly, why is called SN1 reaction and why is called SN2 reaction? What is the reason why is called SN1, why is called SN2? So what is reason? So firstly, see here, here is a carbon attached to four group, and there is a four group attached, and here is a chlorine, and here is some type suppose here is a hydrogen, and because of attaching to this group, a carbon react with a nucleophile, is any type of nucleophile, and nucleophile have a high electron density, and here is a firstly carbon replaced to this group, and because of replacing to this group, carbon convert into electrophile means carbocation, carbon convert into carbocation and positive charge, and because of positive charge, and it's a role play as intermediate. This is the intermediate because here is a not attached in a nucleophile. Firstly carbon convert into a carbocation, and because of this group is replaced from this place, and and after converting of carbocation, nucleophile attack to the carbon in two ways. First is in a downside and the second is the upside. The in two type of ways for attacking of nucleophile to the center carbon, and it means that there is a two type of reaction. First is a carbon convert into carbocation, then after converting of carbocation, carbon this carbon is attaching to nucleophile. Yeah, so this is structure is formed after a forming of intermediate. It means SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction is SN1 reaction rate is depend on only in alkyl halide, not depend upon nucleophile. Okay, only depend on alkyl halide. So because of this reason, we call this is SN1 reaction, because in this reaction rate is depend on only alkyl halide concentration and its living group properties, not depend on nucleophile properties. And in SN2 reaction is a very fast reaction, because very high nucleophile are used in a SN2 reaction, या react in a SN2 reaction, and this is a very fast reaction and not form any type of intermediate. And because of this reason, SN2 reaction is depend on SN2 reaction rate is depend on two things. First is alkyl halide, and second is the nucleophile. So it means कि in SN2 reaction rate depend on two things, and because of depend on two things, this reaction is called SN2 reaction. And this reaction rate is depend on only one thing, alkyl halide living group concentration. So this reaction is called SN1 reaction. So this is the first definition, first difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. And second difference is not form any type of intermediate in SN2 reaction. See in this SN2 reaction, like one example, here is a carbon, okay, here is a phenyl group, and here is a hydrogen, and a chlorine group attached to chlorine group, and attacked to any nucleophile, and nucleophile. So in this reaction, this is a very fast reaction, because nucleophile is very strong in this reaction. And because of strongness of nucleophile, this group before a replacing of this group, nucleophile attack to this carbon, and okay, and form a transition state, not form intermediate state. In SN2 reaction form transition state, and this type of structure is formed in SN2 reaction. It means ki here is a nucleophile is attached in this position, and here is a type of this type of chlorine is also attached to in this position, means both group are attached in same time in this form, means this is a transition state, and both group are attached to in same manner and say in same time. And because of this reason, because nucleophile is very strong, and this is a transition stage is formed in SN2 reaction, and intermediate stage is formed in SN1 reaction. So this is another difference related to SN1 and SN2 reaction. And because of this reaction, this type of a graph is showing in this position. Like for SN1 reaction, this is SN1 and this is a SN2 reaction. Okay, so in SN1 reaction, this type of graph is formed between rate and concentration. Okay, so here is a reaction coordinate, and here is a energy. Here is a energy, and here is a reaction here is a reaction coordinate, the coordinate. So this type of bond this type of structure reaction graph is formed. Here is the energy well. Energy well is formed in SN1 reaction. Why is energy well? Because this is an intermediate position, and in SN2 reaction, this type of graph form. This type of graph form, it's a transition state. Here is a transition state because nucleophile and living group both are present in same time. And okay, so this is a transition state, and this type of a graph in form in SN2 reaction, and this type of graph in form in SN1 reaction. Because in this is information is also important for our examination point of view, because we know very well कि our GATE syllabus will be changed, and according to our new GATE syllabus and according to our new GATE strategy, conceptual type questions are also will become in our exam, like JAM type of examination. And for the handling of that type of questions, all type of information are important for any topic. So it means कि we are gathering all type of information related to any topic, because multiple choice question is also there is come in exam. So we know very well multiple choice question, but in our future exam, jam type question are also will become in our future exam. And because of this reason, all type of information related to any topic is very important. So we are gathering all type of information. Okay, so this graph is also important for examination point of view. In SN1 reaction, here is a energy well is created in SN1 reaction, and here is a this type of graph for SN2 reaction, because in SN2 reaction this type in SN2 reaction transition state is formed, and in SN1 reaction intermediate stage is formed. And second thing is what is a substrate and what is a carbocation stability for required for SN1 and SN2. Here is a SN1 reaction, and this is a carbocation stability is a required, means ki firstly 3 degree and second degree and first degree and 0 degree. Okay, and here is a first degree and second degree and third degree and fourth degree. So why is this type of the carbocation stability? Here is a 3 degree, and it's the order of stability of carbocation for SN1 and SN2 reaction. In SN1 reaction, this is a 3 degree 3 degree carbocation stability is important for SN1 reaction, and where here is a 1 degree. Why is a 1 degree? Because nucleophile is a very strong in SN2 reaction, and because of strongness of nucleophile, and nucleophile is also depend on steric hindrance. Okay, steric hindrance, it's because of steric hindrance nucleophile properties affected, because due to steric hindrance so because of steric hindrance nucleophile attack prefer to attack on 1 degree carbocation is firstly, and then second degree and third degree, because in third degree carbocation, it is the example of third degree, like carbon attached to 3 methyl group. Okay, is a 3 methyl group, and here is any type of a group, a living group. So then is in case nucleophile attack to this carbon, because nucleophile attack to center carbon, then here is a 3 methyl group, then create this type of structure. Here is a 1 methyl group, means ki this is a have of 3 hydrogen, and here is also 3 methyl group, then this have 3 hydrogen, and this carbon also have 3 hydrogen, and because of this structure these hydrogen are create a steric hindrance for nucleophile attacking, and here is not available space for attacking of nucleophile in this position, not provide any type of place for attacking of nucleophile in this position. And because of steric hindrance, this 3 degree carbocation, it's not good for attacking of nucleophile, and in this position it is a nucleophile strongness and nucleophile weakness. So this SN1 reaction is not depend on nucleophile strongness and nucleophile the weakness, and because SN1 reaction is only depend on alkyl halide, a living group property, and because of this reason this reason here is any type of nucleophile and any not affect any type of other things, means steric hindrance is not affect nucleophile attacking, because SN1 reaction is not depend on nucleophile properties. So it is a 3 degree carbocation is suitable for attacking of nucleophile, because in 3 degree carbocation this is these alkyl groups are satisfy the carbon this carbon is satisfied because of presence of 3 alkyl group, because alkyl group is create a type of electron donating group, and because of satisfaction, and here is a carbon also, and this is a positive charge and convert into electrophile, then nucleophile attack to या तो back side या front side. So the nucleophile is a this type of reaction is not depend on nucleophile strongness या nucleophile weakness. Okay, so here is a 3 degree carbocation is good for attacking of for SN1 reaction, and here is a 1 degree carbocation is good for reaction of SN2 reaction. So this is the next difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. And other difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction is the SN1 reaction is affect to the solvent effect, and SN2 reaction is not affected by the solvent is effect. So why is SN1 reaction is affected by the solvent effect? Because SN1 reaction is already have positive charge, means ki charge, because in SN1 reaction intermediate is formed, intermediate like carbocation. Okay, so carbocation is intermediate in SN1 reaction, and because of a forming of a intermediate, where is a carbon have already positive charge, and because of a presence of positive charge, any type of a polar solvent, in case we use any type of polar solvent for reaction, then polar solvent are affect the SN1 reaction, because of here is already present charge, and because of a presence of a charge, this reaction is affected by the solvent, any type of polar solvent. But in SN2 reaction not have any type of intermediate या positive charge. Okay, तो not have any type of SN2 reactions have only a transition state, and because of not have any type of this positive charge, any type of intermediate carbocation form, SN2 reaction is not affected by the polar solvent or any type of solvent, means ki polar solvent. So the polar solvent is the next, it's another type of difference between SN1 and SN2. SN1 reaction is affected by the polar solvent, and SN2 reaction is not affected by the polar solvent. And what is the reason? So I discussed. Okay. And next difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction is SN1 reaction is not depend on the nucleophilic strength or weakness, it's only depend on living group. Okay, the living group weakness and strength. And SN2 reaction is depend on the nucleophilic strength. It means कि strong nucleophile play a very good role for SN2 reaction, and weak nucleophile not play very good role in SN2 reaction. It means कि strong concentrated nucleophile is required for SN2 reaction, and here is a nucleophile strongness and weakness is not required, and not need any type of this type of weakness and strongness of nucleophile. Okay, so this type of difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. And other difference is also like salvolysis reaction. So salvolytic reaction is also happen in SN1 reaction, because SN1 reaction have intermediate, and intermediate means ki positive charge. So salvolytic reaction is also held in SN1 reaction, not in SN2 reaction. So here is the SN1 and catalyte. And the next difference between catalyte, so catalyst is increase the rate of reaction of SN1 and SN2 reaction. So which type of catalytes is important for SN1 and which type of catalytes is important for SN2? So here is a Lewis acid type of catalytes is important for SN1 reaction, because that type of a catalyze is increase the rate of reaction of SN1 reaction. And here is a chelate type of catalyte. Like why is a chelate type is important for SN2 reaction? Because like some type of a chelate like KCN. Okay, KCN is a example. So here is a cyanide. So KCN is a breaking into K plus and CN minus. It means कि CN is a role play as a nucleophile, and because of insolvent here is a present in a KCN, then this CN is again react with potassium and form this type of bond, and we need only cyanide, not need a potassium. So in chelate role play a very good role in SN2 reaction and attract the potassium in the solvent या in the solution. Like potassium, any type of a chelate like such a type of a chelate is play a very good role, and create a type of a net around the potassium, and because of this net this potassium is not this potassium is not attract to cyanide, and cyanide is free for reacting with other reaction. And so chelate is play a very important role in SN2 reaction. And here is a catalytes is play a very important role for increasing of rate rate of reaction in SN1 reactions. Okay, so this is these type of differences between SN1 and SN2 reaction. And next is many types of reactions related to SN1 and SN2. Firstly, just a minute, I need a slide. So here is a so here is a one type of reaction. Tell me कि this which type of reaction is possible in this question. Like this type of question. Okay, so tell me which type of reaction is possible in this position. So this is firstly identify this is leaving group, this is nucleophile. It means कि nucleophile replaced to this group. Okay, because it's a substitution reaction. Then identify which type of reaction, SN1 या SN2. तो here is a SN2 या SN1. तो here is a firstly SN2 reaction is possible in this place. तो here is a it's a highly, and this is a firstly convert into carbocation condition. तो this is convert into carbocation condition. Okay, so this positive charge is not stable in this position because here is a carbonyl group is present, and because of presence of a carbonyl group, this positive charge is not stable in this position. It means कि here is a SN2 type reaction is possible in this condition, not SN1 reaction, because this intermediate is not stable in this position, because positive charge is not stable in this position because of a neighboring carbonyl compound, and because of this reason here is a SN2 reaction is a prefer for this reaction, not SN1 reaction is possible for this reaction. And second thing also, this is a 1 degree carbocation, and in for 1 degree carbocation SN2 reaction is possible, not SN1 reaction is possible, because for SN1 reaction 3 degree carbocation it's good for SN1 reaction. So it is a 1 degree carbocation, so this reaction is not, SN1 reaction is not possible for this. Okay, so this is a here is a which type of reaction, here is a SN2 reaction. And the second thing also, one type of other question is also related to this thing, like this type of structure. And this group is to which type of reaction is possible, SN1 या SN2. Okay, तो which type of first, so the first leave in first condition, in first way, we see in this is a 3rd degree carbocation. Okay, because after a leaving of this group, this carbon is convert into 3 degree carbocation. Okay, see, this is the leaving of this group. Okay, so this carbon is convert into 3 degree carbocation. Okay, it means कि here is SN1 reaction is possible, because SN1 reaction is suitable for 3 degree carbocation, but it's wrong. Why is wrong? Because here is a carbonyl present, carbonyl group is present in this position, and because of a presence of carbonyl, here is carbocation is not stable in this position because of presence of carbonyl, because here is a oxygen, and oxygen is a very electronegative group, and because because of a highly electronegativity, oxygen is attract the carbon electron and this carbon is attract to this electron. So here is a carbocation is not stable to in this position, so here is a SN2 reaction is suitable for this position, not SN1 reaction is suitable for this reaction. So always remember, in case carbonyl present in a neighboring to the carbocation, then SN2 reaction is preferred for this condition, not SN1 reaction is preferred for this condition. Okay, thank you friend. Okay, and next my lecture is related to SN1 and SN2, many reactions related to SN1 and SN2 and reaction intermediate reactions. Okay, thank you very much.